Wild Forest Birds, Part 3 of 3, The Final Secrets of the Untouched Forest. Welcome back to Eagle Family Drama. Today, we reach the final chapter of our journey into the untouched forests. We have traveled through the canopy. We have listened to the mysterious calls of birds. We have watched them search for food, protect their nests, escape predators, and survive changing weather. But the deepest secrets of the forest are still waiting to be discovered. This is the final episode of Wild Forest Birds. The forest at its most alive. As morning returns, sunlight slowly moves through the canopy. The forest begins to wake. Birds emerge from their shelters. Some begin searching for fruit, others hunt for insects. And high above the trees, birds of prey begin scanning the landscape. For a few hours, the forest becomes incredibly active. Every layer is alive, from the ground to the branches. To the highest point of the canopy, each bird has its own place in this enormous ecosystem. The specialists of the forest. Forest birds have evolved remarkable ways to survive. Some have powerful beaks designed to crack seeds and hard fruits. Others have long, specialized beaks that help them reach food hidden deep inside flowers. Woodpeckers use strong beaks to search for insects beneath tree bark. And birds of prey rely on powerful talons and extraordinary vision. There is no single perfect design. Every species has its own solution to the challenges of survival. A life built around sound. In a dense forest, visibility can be limited. Trees block the view, leaves move constantly, and animals may be separated by hundreds of meters. That is why sound becomes so important. Bird calls can travel through the forest and connect individuals that cannot see one another. A warning call can alert an entire group. A territorial call can tell another bird to stay away. And the calls of parents can help young birds locate them. The forest may appear silent from a distance, but step inside, and you discover a world filled with voices. Survival from above. The forest also has its hunters. Powerful raptors patrol the skies, searching for movement among the branches. Smaller birds know that danger can appear without warning. A shadow crosses the canopy. A flock suddenly takes flight. The forest erupts with alarm calls. Then, just as quickly, silence returns. Predators are not simply enemies. They are part of the natural balance. Without predators, populations can grow beyond what the ecosystem can support. Every species has a role, even the hunters. The beginning of a new generation. Hidden among the leaves, young birds continue to grow. Their parents bring food, protect the nest, and teach them, indirectly, how to survive. Soon, those young birds will leave their nests. They will have to find food, avoid predators, find shelter, and eventually raise families of their own. This cycle has repeated countless times, generation after generation. The forest survives because life continues. When nature changes, but the forest is never completely predictable. Rain can arrive without warning. Drought can change food availability. Storms can destroy nests. And changes in vegetation can affect entire populations. Birds must constantly adapt. Some move to different areas. Some change their diets. Others alter their breeding cycles. Survival is not about controlling nature, it is about responding to it. Why protecting forest birds matters. The birds we have followed throughout this journey are more than beautiful creatures. They are part of the forest's foundation. They spread seeds across enormous distances. They help pollinate plants. They control insect populations. They provide food for other animals. And they can even tell us when an ecosystem is becoming unhealthy. When forests disappear, birds lose more than trees, they lose food. Nesting sites, shelter, and entire ecosystems that took thousands of years to develop. Protecting forest birds means protecting the forests themselves. The final moments, as the sun begins to disappear behind the trees, the forest becomes quieter. One by one, birds return to their resting places. The final calls of the day echo through the canopy. The wind moves through the leaves, and the forest slowly enters another night. For us, the journey is ending, but for the birds, life continues. Tomorrow, they will wake again. They will search for food, protect their territory, raise their young, and continue the endless cycle of survival. After 3 episodes, we have discovered that the true wonder of forest birds is not simply their colors or their ability to fly. It is their ability to adapt, survive, communicate, and live together within one of the most complex environments on Earth. Every bird has a purpose. Every call carries information. Every nest represents another generation. And every forest protects a world that we are only beginning to understand. The untouched forest is not empty. It is alive. It is moving. It is communicating. And above all, it is worth protecting. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part journey through the hidden world of wild forest birds. If you enjoyed the documentary, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to Eagle Family Drama. More incredible wildlife documentaries are coming soon. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and never stop respecting the wild. This is Eagle Family Drama. See you in the next documentary.